Welcome to the Celtic Llama. In this tutorial, I will be showing you how to do the half double treble crochet. It's a really beautiful stitch that you can use to make blankets or add texture to any project. So to get started, you'll want to go ahead and do your little slip stitch, and you want to chain any multiples. For this tutorial, I'm just going to go ahead and chain 15. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right. Once you have your foundation chain, you want to go ahead and chain 3 extra stitches. So 1, 2, 3. And then in the 4th chain from the hook, that's where we want to start. So we want to yarn over once, yarn over twice. So we have 3 loops. Insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2 stitches, and then the last 3 stitches you want to pull through all 3 of those. So let's do this again. Yarn over once, yarn over twice, insert your hook into the next stitch, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through 3. So it's a 1, 2, 3 method. So yarn over twice, insert your hook, 1, 2, 3. And we'll continue this all the way to the end of the row. And sometimes it can be a little difficult to pull through the last 3 loops on your hook. Don't get discouraged. Just take your time and enjoy your project. All right, 2 and 3. Even I struggle a little bit. Just speed it up just a smidgen, and here we are, kind of coming up at the end. So yarn over once, twice, insert your hook, pull through 1, pull through 2, pull through all 3, and turn. Now we want to chain up 1, 2, 3. So yarn over once, yarn over twice, and then you want to turn your work slightly towards you. That way you go into the top loops of the previous row. And this will give you the nice ribbed effect on your work. So insert your hook, 1, 2, 3. This is very easy to do once you get your flow. And if you're wanting to have a smooth surface, what you can do is go in through the front loops of the work and then the back loops on the other one, on the other side of your work, and it would end up giving you one side that's ribbed and another side that is smooth. But I like having both sides be textured. Gives it more flair. So here we are at the end, and 3. And this is how you end up doing a half double treble crochet. If you found this video helpful, please go ahead and give it a like. And I hope you have a happy crochet day with your half treble double crochet.